Hello students, today we will be doing hot sums on quadratic AP. Let's start with quadratic equation. This quadratic equation is 216 x raised to 6 इधर x cube है 216 x cube और x cube problem है. So what we will do is this is 216 x cube the whole square minus 793 ये आएगा x cube and this is 216 is equal to 0. अब इधर भी x क्यूब है, इधर भी x क्यूब है, तो what we'll do with assumption. We'll assume वो यहाँ पे assume करेगा that is that x क्यूब is equal to कोई भी variable as n. अभी change हो गया, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा this is 216 x क्यूब था, ये x क्यूब है, ये change हो जाएगा and उधर you'll get this as m, ये वाला square, ये आएगा 793, ये x क्यूब change होएगा, that will become m, this is 216 is equal to 0. Now this is ये आपको quadratic equation आ गया, इधर 216 इधर 216 to 216 आ जाएगा 4 6 6 5 6. इसका factors निकालने का like the factors will be 7 29 and 64. minus plus है तो आ जाएगा minus minus. So this one will be 216 m square minus 729 m माइनस ये वाला 64m प्लस 216 इज इक्वल टू 0. अभी ये दो और ये दो, व्हाट यू गेट कॉमन ओवर हियर, यहाँ पे कॉमन आ जाएगा 27m कॉमन है, 27m कॉमन है तो व्हाट यू गेट ओवर 27 8 जा दिस इज 8m एंड 27 दिस इज 27 जा, यहाँ पे कॉमन आ जाएगा आपको दिस इज ओवर 8 इज कॉमन, 8 8 जा 64 minus into plus is minus and this is 27 is equal to 0. This is 8m minus 27, 8m minus 27. This is 8m minus 27 common. What is left over is 27m minus 8 is equal to 0. Then the same thing we करेंगे. That is either 8m minus 27 is equal to 0 or 27m minus 8 is equal to 0. अभी this one if 8m minus 27 is equal to 0, m is equal to 27 upon 8. Or if 27m minus 8 is equal to 0, तो ये आ जाएगा m is equal to 8 upon 27. ये आपको m का वैल्यू मिल गया. क्वेश्चन में m, there was no m at all. क्वेश्चन में तो x was there. So what we do over here is resubstituting. Resubstituting, what did you put over here? ये x cube is equal to m. So we'll get over therefore x cube is equal to m बोलेगा तो 27 upon 8 और we get over this is x cube is equal to ये वाला दूसरा वैल्यू 8 upon 27. For this if x cube is equal to 27 upon 8 तो x is equal to this is किसका क्यूब रूट है 3 का और एक इसका 2 का तो x is equal to 3 upon 2 और अगर ये है और if x cube is equal to 8 upon 27 तो x आ जाएगा यहाँ पे आएगा 2 upon 3. So this is how we have to do this quadratic equation. Hope you understood this. Now we'll go with your next question. Good. Now we'll do this quadratic equation. A businessman bought some item for rupees 600, keeping some item for himself. Keeping 10 item for himself is. चलो we'll do with that. वहाँ पे क्या पूछा आपको? What is the cost price? So यहाँ पे assume करते हैं that is let the cost price of each item be rupees x. कितना रुपीस का लाया? 600 रुपीस का आइटम्स लाया. Therefore you can say number of items purchased. कितना आइटम्स लाया? Therefore the number of items purchased will be 600 upon x. This is what we get. वहाँ पे चेक करो तो क्या लिखा है? Keeping 5 items for himself. We can say therefore since the number of items kept for himself, how much is the number of items kept for himself is 5. Therefore we can say therefore number of items, or I think the number of items kept himself is 10. Therefore what? We'll just check. The number of items kept himself is 10. Therefore number of items sold. So what is the number of items sold? तो ये उसने लाया था 10 उसने खुद के लिए रख दिया तो इतना आइटम्स वो सेल करेगा. उसने सेलिंग प्राइस भी 5 रुपया बढ़ा दी, सिंस द प्रॉफिट is rupees how much 5, therefore we can say the selling price of each item, what will be the selling price of each item will be rupees x था 5 रुपया बढ़ा दिया x plus 5, अभी वो इतना आइटम्स बेचेगा, सेलिंग प्राइस इतना है, therefore the amount received in the deal कितना रुपीस मिलेगा, amount received in the deal, what is the amount received in the deal will be 600 upon x minus 10 into x plus 5 इतना पैसा उसके पास आएगा। अभी वो ये पैसा लेके वापस दूसरा दिन मार्केट में जाएगा, तो वहां पे वो क्या बोला, he could buy 15 more items, so therefore we can say now the cost price of 15 more items, what will be the cost price of 15 more item will be, कितना लिया था उसने पहला 600 अपॉन x, इसका 15 ज्यादा है, दैट इज प्लस 15, और कॉस्ट प्राइस तो वही रहेगा, मतलब बेसिकली ये पैसा आया, ये पैसा उसका जाएगा, दिस अमाउंट एंड दिस अमाउंट इज सेम। उन्होंने बोला दैट इज अगर वो 10 कम बेचेगा तो ही कुड बाय 15 मोर आइटम, सो वी कैन से दैट इज एज पर द कंडीशन, as per the condition this is 600 upon x minus 10 into that x plus 5 will be equal to 600 upon x plus 15 into x. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation. ये quadratic equation solve करो, आंसर आ जाएगा, open your brackets, ये इधर जाता है, so this becomes here 600x upon x, this goes with this becomes here 3000 upon x, this opens with this minus 10x, this goes with this minus 50. Over here also the same thing, 600x upon x plus 15x, x and x cancel, x and x cancel, so you get over this is 600 plus 3000 upon x, this is over here minus 10x minus 50, this is 600 plus 15x, 600 आपका कैंसिल हो गया। Now what we'll do over here is all the terms will come on my side, so this one will be 3000 upon x minus 10x minus 50 को मेरे साइड में आ जाएगा, minus 15x is equal to 0. What you can do over here, this becomes here 3000 upon x minus this and this, you can make it as 25x minus 50 is equal to 0. What you get LCM, x आ जाएगा, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, this is 3000, ये बन जाएगा तुम्हारा 25x square और ये बनेगा तुम्हारा 50x is equal to 0. अगर आप क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करो इधर जाएगा, what you will get over here is ये आ जाएगा, this is 3000 minus 25x square minus 50x is equal to 0. Will form a proper quadratic equation. Factorize करेंगे, 25 का टेबल में जाएगा, that is BC dividing minus 25 on both the sides. अगर आप डिवाइड करो तो ये माइनस जाएगा, this one will be x square, 25 माइनस से किया तो प्लस होएगा, 25 2 जा, इधर प्लस है तो माइनस 25 120 जा is equal to 0. Now you have factors 120, so ये बनेगा 12 and 10, 12 10 जा 120, 12 minus 10 is 2, इधर प्लस माइनस है, so put this sign as plus minus, ये आ जाएगा x square plus 12x minus 10x minus 120 is equal to 0. What do you get common over here? x plus 12 minus 10 x plus 12 is equal to 0. What is common is x plus 12, x minus 10 is equal to 0. Then you can say that is either x plus 12 is equal to 0 or x minus 10 is equal to 0. अगर x plus 12 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 12, और if x minus 10 is equal to 0, x is equal to 10. ये क्या है तुम्हारा cost price है, since the amount or the cost price cannot be negative, तो कॉस्ट प्राइस आपका नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकता है, तो वी से दैट इज x इज नॉट इक्वल टू -12 एंड देयरफॉर x इज इक्वल टू क्या आ जाएगा 12, और यहाँ पे वापस लिखने का देयरफॉर द कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ ईच आइटम इज ₹10. दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू डू द सम. होप यू अंडरस्टूड. एक स्मॉल आइडिया दे रहा हूँ आपको. अगर आपको एग्जाम से पूछा है कंसेक्यूटिव नेचुरल नंबर, व्हाट आर योर 3 कंसेक्यूटिव या 4 कंसेक्यूटिव, तो कंसेक्यूटिव नेचुरल नंबर्स बनता है आपका x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4, that are your consecutive natural numbers. अगर 4 पूछा है तो x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, these are your consecutive natural numbers. अगर आपको odd natural numbers पूछा है या even natural numbers पूछा है, confused मत होना. Odd natural numbers will be x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6 and so on. And even your even consecutive भी वही होता है बच्चा लोग, because odd और even के बीच में always 2 का difference होता है. So keep this in mind कि odd भी वही है x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6. even भी वही होता है x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6. लेकिन consecutive सिर्फ consecutive numbers पूछा है तो x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3. Now we'll do a sum on consecutive पे एक sum करते हैं. अभी थोड़ा सा इजी टाइप का सम है. द सम ऑफ द स्क्वायर्स ऑफ 5 कंसेक्यूटिव नेचुरल नंबर्स इज 1, 4, 5, 5. वापस मैं बोल रहा हूँ 5 कंसेक्यूटिव नेचुरल नंबर्स का बोल रहा हूँ 5 कंसेक्यूटिव नेचुरल नंबर्स का द सम ऑफ द स्क्वायर्स ऑफ 5 कंसेक्यूटिव नेचुरल नंबर्स इज 1, 4, 5, 5. ठीक है. नाउ चेक. सो विल assume over here that is a let the 5 consecutive natural numbers, let the 5 consecutive natural numbers be 5 है ना, तो x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3 and x plus 4 respectively. तो ये हो गया आपका 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 नंबर. As per the condition, as per the condition क्या बोला है? The sum of इनका सबका स्क्वायर that is x square, x plus 1 the whole square, x plus 2 the whole square, x plus 3 the whole square and x plus 4 the whole square, that is the sum of the squares of this number is 1, 4, 5, 5. You have to open this. ये बनेगा तुम्हारा x square. तो ये a plus b the whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Over here also a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is 4. Over here also a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here also x square plus 2ab, and this is what you get over is 1, 4, 5, 5. This is y square 2, 3, 4, 5. This is why 5x square. This is 2x plus 4x is 6x. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20x. This one 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 plus 16 is 30. This is 30 is equal to 1, 4, 5, 5. ये मेरे साइड में आएगा 5x square plus 20x plus 30 minus 1, 4, 5, 5 is equal to 0. This is 5x square plus 20x. You can do this subtraction is 1, 4, 5, 5 minus 30. What you get over is 5, 2. This is 1, 4, 2, 5 is equal to 0. You can divide this by 5. Dividing 5 on both the sides. If you divide 5 on both the sides, this one will be x square. 5 4s are. This one will be divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 8s are 40. 5 5s are 25 is equal to 0. And then I think इसके बाद आप लोग अभी 2-3 सम्स मैंने किया हुआ है. Same you get quadratic equation. You can split this 285 in such a way. Multiply करेगा तो 285. Add और subtract करेगा तो 4. As your exams are very close, so you can do this on your own. Hope you understood this. Okay. Now the question is for 4 consecutive natural number. The product of 4 consecutive natural number is 840. Find the numbers. So अभी हम लोग assume करेंगे that is let अभी बोला था the 4 consecutive natural numbers be x, x plus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 3 respectively. अब डायरेक्ट कंडीशन पे जाते हैं. क्या बोले? प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दिस नंबर. प्रोडक्ट मतलब मल्टीप्लिकेशन. तो एज पर द कंडीशन, as per the condition, they said product, that is x into x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 and that is 840. Now मेन पार्ट चालू हो गया. इसको सॉल्व कैसा करने का. Now अभी आपको ना पैर्स बनाने का है. What do you mean by pairs? This is x मतलब x plus 0, ये x plus 1 है, x plus 2 है, x plus 3 है. Suppose ये पैर और ये पैर है, ये पैर और ये पैर है. इधर नंबर क्या वाला 0, 0 और 1 कितना होता है 1, 2 और 3 कितना होता है 5. ये मैच हुआ नहीं, तो ये पैर रॉन्ग है. अभी दूसरा पैर ट्राई करते हैं. दिस एंड दिस को ट्राई करते हैं एंड इसको और इसको. इधर 0 है मतलब x plus 0 और ये 3, 0 plus 3 बनेगा 3 और ये भी 1 plus 2 बनेगा, क्या बनेगा 3. तो दिस आर योर पैर्स. तो आपको ना यहाँ पे पैरिंग करना है. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, दैट इज x और वो आ जाएगा x plus 3, ये आपका एक पैर हो गया. And this one will be x plus 1 into x plus 2 and that is equal to 840. This is what is important. ये स्टेप आपका important है कि पैरिंग करना है. अभी इसको ओपन कर, ये ओपन हो जाएगा, ये बनेगा x स्क्वायर प्लस 3x. ये भी ओपन हो जाएगा, इधर आएगा x स्क्वायर प्लस आ जाएगा 2x प्लस आएगा x. This is 1 2s are 2 and that is equal to 840. You can do this as x square प्लस 3x. ये बनेगा x स्क्वायर 2x प्लस 1, 3x प्लस 2 इज इक्वल टू 840. अभी ऑब्जर्व करो तो यहाँ पे x स्क्वायर प्लस 3x है, यहाँ पे ऑल्सो x स्क्वायर प्लस 3x है. Now what we'll do, we'll assume over here that is a let x square plus 3x is any variable like m. Now you have a replacement over here. ये जो है यहाँ पे आ जाएगा m, x square plus 3x मतलब m plus 2 and that is equal to 840. Now open this. This is m square plus 2m, that will come on my side, minus 840 is equal to 0. This is what you get. Again a quadratic. 840, then you have to split the terms with 840 and quadratic equation 2 square minus plus 2m minus 840 is equal to 0. अब इसका फैक्टर्स निकालते हैं 840 और 2. तो इसका फैक्टर्स बन जाएगा दैट इज 30 एंड 28. दिस आर योर फैक्टर्स. प्लस माइनस है तो यहाँ पे आएगा प्लस एंड माइनस. ना चलो इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. सो ये बनेगा m स्क्वायर प्लस 30m माइनस 28m माइनस 840 इज इक्वल टू 0. दिस टू इधर आपका m कॉमन आएगा, m प्लस 30 माइनस 28 कॉमन, m प्लस 30 is equal to 0. इधर भी m plus 30, इधर भी m plus 30. So this is m plus 30 and this is m minus 28 is equal to 0. We can write over this is either m plus 30 is equal to 0 or m minus 28 is equal to 0. We get over that is if m plus 30 is equal to 0, m is equal to minus 30, or if m minus 28 is equal to 0, m is equal to 28. बच्चा लोग, many of them do a mistake. यहाँ पे सब छोड़ देते हैं. Keep in mind आपको m का आंसर मिला है. क्वेश्चन में क्या चल रहा है is x, that is you need to resubstitute. अभी हम लोग करते हैं resubstituting. Resubstituting इधर ये ब्लैक में लिखा है. What is that? That is x square plus 3x is equal to m. Therefore we say x square plus 3x is equal to minus 30 or x square plus 3x is equal to 28. Now we'll solve this quadratic. ये दोनों भी quadratic को solve करते हैं. पहले इसको x square plus 3x plus 30 is equal to 0. अभी 30 आ गया. Try this one 30, दो terms. अब try करोगे तो नहीं आएगा. Then you have to go with your standard way. A is equal to 1. B is equal to 3 and C is equal to 30. We'll try with B square minus 4AC. So this becomes a 3 square, 4A and this is C. ये आ जाएगा 9 minus 1, 20 और ये आ जाएगा आपको -100 एंड क्या आ जाएगा 11. Now you say over that is since b square minus 4ac is less than 0, therefore the roots are not real. मतलब बच्चा लोग roots are not real, मतलब ये सब इधर ही कंप्लीट हो गया. अभी आपको उसको सॉल्व करने का है. Now we'll solve for this. That is if x square plus 3x is equal to 28. This is x square plus 3x minus 28 is equal to 0. Now try this. 28 with 3. Yes, you get 7. 4s are 28. And 7 minus 4 is 3. Plus minus. यहाँ पे plus minus डाल दो. X square plus 7x minus 4x minus 28 is equal to 0. X is common. X plus 7. यहाँ पे minus 4 common. x plus 7 is equal to 0. ये आ जाएगा x plus 7, x minus 4 is equal to 0. Then again same, either x plus 7 is equal to 0 or x minus 4 is equal to 0. If x plus 7 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 7, or if x minus 4 is equal to 0, x is equal to 4. दो आंसर्स आ गया. स्टार्ट में ही बोला था द नंबर्स आर नेचुरल, सो वी कैन से दैट इज सिंस अ नेचुरल नंबर cannot be negative. So we say that is therefore x is not equal to minus 7 and therefore x is equal to 4. X plus 1 will be 4 plus 1, that is 5. X plus 2 will be 4 plus 2, that is 6. And x plus 3 will be 4 plus 3, that is 7. Therefore the four consecutive natural numbers are 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now see, this is with AP. Question है how many two digit number, ऐसे कितना two digit number है will leave the remainder 1 when divided by 5. तो आपको ऐसा नंबर ढूंढना है two digit number. So we can say over the two digit number, the two digit number when divided, ये question है when divided by 5, the remainder is 1 are. What are the numbers? They are, पहला वाला नंबर अगर आप लोगे तो पहला वाला है that is 11, because अगर 11 है because 5 2s are 10 and remainder is 1. नेक्स्ट वाला will be 16. उन्होंने क्या बोला, ये नंबर को डिवाइड करने के बाद एक रिमाइंडर होना चाहिए, that is 16. छोड़ दो. and then you have to go with your last number. The last number अगर आप चेक करो it will be 96, because 5 if you divide goes with 95, remainder is 1. So just this is very important. And now we can say that it says 11, 16, 96. This are in AP. बच्चा लोग ये आपको लिखने का है. Where you can say that is A is equal to 11. Your T is equal to 16 minus 11, which is equal to 5, and ये है that is your Tn is equal to 96. Then we have to use your Tn का formula. I think you know that is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What you got over this is 96. A is 11. N as it is because we have to find. D is your 5. This is 96. This is 11. Plus 5 and minus 5. This becomes your 96. This is 11 minus 5. You can do it over here only. This is over here 6. And this is 5. This is 96. 6 comes on my side is equal to 5n. So you can say 5n is equal to 90. And n is equal to 90 upon 5. That is 5 ones are 5. Remainder is 4. 5 8s are. And that's all. So how many numbers are there? You need to write there are 18 numbers which when divided by 5 the remainder is 1. Hope you understood this sum. Now with your next sum. Now what you got over here, ये आपके पास Sn है, that is Sn is equal to 3n plus n square. You have to find T1 and the sum of first two terms. अभी problem है कि how will you find T1? This is what you get Sn. ये है आपके पास 3n plus n square है ना, तो बच्चा लोग you find Sn plus 1. तो n के जगह मैंने n plus 1 डाला, इधर भी put it as n plus 1 Y also put it as n plus 1 the whole square. So this one will be 3n plus 3, open this bracket, n square plus 2n plus 1. So this becomes here n square plus 5n plus 4. This is your n plus 1. And keep this in mind, your Tn ka formula is Sn plus 1 minus Sn. This step is important, that is Tn is equal to Sn plus 1 minus Sn. So this one will be n square plus 5n plus 4 minus Sn, this is 3n plus n square. Open your brackets, n square plus 5n plus 4 minus 3n minus n square is gone. This is Tn is equal to, this one will be 2n plus 4, this is Tn. So the first term will be, that is T1 is equal to 2 into 1 plus 4, that is equal to, your first term is 6. Same, you have to find the sum of first two terms. So you got T1, so T2 will be 2 into 2 plus 4, so your T2 is equal to 8. Therefore we can say the sum of first two terms. So what will be the sum of first two terms will be T1 plus T2, and that is equal to 6, and this is 6 plus 8, that is equal to 14. That is sum of first two terms. So this was with AP and quadratic. Hope you understood all the sums. Do practice well, and all the best for your board exam.